Welcome to Sri Gopal Industries, an ISO 9001-2008 and CE certified company. Sri Gopal Industries was founded by Mr. Sanjay Mittal and Mr. Satish Kumar in the year 1998 in New Delhi. We are having a team of 100 employees, including dedicated and experienced professionals, to ensure that all the factors of productions are well organized and integrated for the smooth running of the company. After completing 5 expansions in the last 10 years, the company's plant now has covered an area of over 20,000 square feet, equipped with the most modern machines for processing 5,000 MT of plastics annually. We are a noted manufacturer, exporter and supplier. We are a leading unit in India, manufacturing high-quality wiring accessories under the brand name of SGI. The company received the ISO accreditation in 2004, CE certification in 2008, and the BIS licenses for IS 9537 and IS 14927 in 2012. We have been supplying our products in various countries in different sectors like computer, automation systems, automobile, railways, networking, electrical, telecom, electronic, defense, aviation. Our products. We are highly proficient and have years of expertise in manufacturing the products. Wiring ducts, manufactured from specially formulated high-impact rigid polyvinyl chloride, durable, will not peel, crack or chip, resists oil and fungus and salt solutions, non-flammable, non-corrosive and rust-proof. Specially designed side slots prevent popping up of wires while removing cover. Slots are elongated at the bottom for smooth and fast installation. PVC sleeving, widely used for protection of cable harnesses, to be used before wires are connected to any type of terminal. Also available in lead-free material conforming to RoHS norms, widely used in all electrical and automobile wiring harnesses. Imparts higher mechanical and insulation properties. PVC marker tubes, unique round profile for customized cable and wire marking. Reduces making costs in projects for frequent, fast and late-stage alterations. Fast to use bulk reel and box format. Made from premium virgin PVC compound developed in-house by SGI. Also available in lead-free material conforming to RoHS norms. Widely used for printing markers on all types of ferrule printing machines. Spiral wrapping bands. High flexibility follows any route taken by wires. Expands spiral range without any limit. Ensures cable to be led out at any point. Durable, reusable, economical with retained spiral strength. Made of polyethylene material having excellent insulation. SGI range of cable marker. Closed marker to be fitted before solder connection is made or terminal is attached. Marker expands to fit various cable diameters and retracts to hold wires firmly in position. Made of soft grade PVC that will resist oil and grease. Superior quality hot foil marking. PVC binding straps. The old conventional and cost-effective method of tying bundle of wires. Easy to use and is reusable after adding or removing wires. 3 different qualities for better grip and sizes of width 8 mm and 12 mm. Material soft PVC made in-house by SGI. Also available in lead-free material conforming to RoHS norms. Self-adhesive tie mounts. Designed to support wire bundles when properly applied to any clean, smooth, grease-free surface. Cable ties can be inserted from any of the four sides to secure wire bundles. Curved walls allow the wire bundles to seat firmly in position after installing with cable ties. To apply, simply peel off back liner paper and apply mount to surface. PVC cable trunking and ducting systems. Non-flammable, non-corrosive and rust-proof. Easy and efficient installation with clip-on lid for easy maintenance. Manufactured from specially formulated high-impact unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. Highly economical as compared to steel or aluminium trunkings. PVC conduit pipes and fittings. Manufactured from specially formulated high-impact unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. Durable, will not peel, crack or chip. Resists oil and fungus and salt solutions. Processed on twin screw extruders, ensuring better quality and strength. Available in various diameters and grades like FR, FRLS and lead-free. PVC cable management systems. Manufactured from specially formulated high-impact polyvinyl chloride. Durable, will not peel, crack or chip. Resists oil and fungus and salt solutions. Designed to enclose all types of cable, that is power, data, telecommunications, etc. Heavy and unique design of duct and cover for efficient and fast locking. SGI has a network of over 100 dealers across all major cities and industrial towns of India like Punjab, Haryana, Delhi NCR, UP, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, MP, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka, along with overseas dealers in Abu Dhabi and UAE. Our clients include BHEL, Alstom, Amrapali, C&S, Indus Tower, Siemens, Schneider Electric, ABB, KV Shrishti, GMR, Earth Infra, L&T,